How you guys doing? Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to install our brush bar on the second gen Toyota Tundra. Really simple, guys. You get the brush bar, you buy it, it comes in. Easy tools, either you do the mechanical tool or you get fancy, nice and fast. This is a 17 mil. We're going to take off the original toe points. We're going to install this. Let's get going. Okay, what we're going to do now is take out the factory toe points. All right, when these are off, you're going to reuse the factory bolts, you guys, to tighten the brush bar. All right, this is what's nice to have a buddy that can help you out. He's going to hold it up while Ilya's installing from the bottom. Again, reusing the factory bolts. Hand tighten everything, guys, before you start torquing on this thing, because you can actually have movements back and forth a little bit. You guys, it's that easy. It's done. 4 bolts, take them off, put the brush bar, bolt them on, and bam. Now you can install lights in here and look cool and protect your front end a little bit. But overall, it just looks cool for the lights, you guys.